Welcome back to the research world. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to set or adjust the margin in Microsoft Word document. So let's follow the steps. You can see that there is much space on the sides and on the top. So how can we adjust this size? Click on the layout, then click on the margins. Here there are different options. The current setting is normal. So if you want to shrink the size on the sides and on the top and bottom, you can select narrow. You can see it has been changed. Similarly, you can use different margins. Or if you want to set your own margin size, you can select your own size here. That is custom margin. You can change the default settings according to your requirements. Thank you for watching.